Good morning. My name is Dave Sherva, and I want to shoot just a little demonstration video using the brand new FunnelKit WordPress plugin. And this is just an awesome tool for creating lead capture pages, sales pages, thank you pages, welcome invites to webinars and so forth. But what I wanted to show you today is just one feature that's really cool especially for like local marketers, and I love this. It really brings a lot of attention. People kind of dig this. And what it does is it pulls information from your IP, your computer's IP address, your location where you live. So here's a couple different background types you could use once you're inside this funnel kit. There's satellite view, road view, satellite and road view combined. You could select an image as your background, solid color, gradient colors. This is really cool. I like this one too. You could put your YouTube video as a background on your sales page. Really cool. But what I'm going to do today is just I'm going to select road view. And what this is going to do is on my capture page, wherever my audience is located. Let's say my person lives in Los Angeles. When they open my capture page, it's going to pull their information using Google Maps, and it's going to show a map of Los Angeles. So this is really cool. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this for dynamic. So it's going to pull the information, from their computer, or you could do static and just enter a URL from Google Maps. But let's stick with dynamic, and then we'll go to the step number 2 here. And here you get to kind of create your container box, where your message is going to be and so forth. And you could, you select the different colors, and then it actually shows. Here's your preview here on the side. So, for instance, if you want to add like borders to it. It just created a thicker border here, and you can control where the position of the container is, from top to bottom, left to right, and so forth, with all these different variables. And those are really easy, and obviously it just takes a little time to play around with them. And then also here, step number 3 is where you enter your autoresponder information. I use Aweber, and I also use GBO, and this is compatible for both, but you simply just throw your code in here. I do like this, enable custom styles. That way you could really customize your opt-in box. Here again, yellow kind of corresponds to this yellow here. I could certainly, change that to red, and it changes as you move along. So really kind of cool. It's kind of on the fly. Come down here, dashed. I could certainly change that to, solid, and as I do that, it changes. And what you do here, this is kind of neat too, is my subscribe button, but it has a gallery here. So you could do, let's say, style 4, and we could do, buy now. And what it'll do is, kind of changes it. So lots of different variables. There's 6 different styles, and then there's also 6 different colors to choose from. So what did I have here? I think I had the yellow and subscribe. I'm just going to stick with that one. But anyways, and then what you do is when you're done with the autoresponder form, just go to step number 4 here. And here, I'm going to kind of shrink this page, but this is kind of where you set up the actual form. And what you do is you just drag and drop the features. For instance, I did this one before already, but so I would just grab the text, and you just drag it here and drop it. And then, of course, you have a text feature. And then what I did is I put my opt-in below the text, and here it is. I just dragged and dropped. Obviously you can see you can do image, you can do videos, text with image on right, text with left, regular. You could do 1 column, 2, and 3. So lots of different variables there. For my demonstration, basically, I just did a text, an option form, and then I threw an image down below. And what you do here, for your, like for instance, the text, come in here, and this is where you'll add your text. Here again, there's lots of different font styles, sizes, colors. But what's really cool is with this particular plugin, you could use different variables such as city, country, time, date, and what you do, for instance, with my demonstration, I'm doing one on Bigfoot, just kind of just to play around, have a little fun here. So I said confirm Bigfoot sighting in, and what I did is just put city. Now that's gonna, so whoever opens this page, this opt-in page, whoever they actually live, that is going to be custom to their actual city. I could do country here, I could do date here, and so this is totally customized. So I'm going to save that, and let's go to step 5. Now step 5, this is really cool too. These are call-outs, and what a call-out is you could add little chunks of text here. And what happens is you set like the time. So when the person is on your capture page, what's happening is these little, like this one here, Bigfoot attacks horse ranch, that'll come up and then it'll disappear. And then about 5 seconds later, I can set up another one, Bigfoot entering grocery store, and then it disappears. So you could use this. For instance, you could add 75 copies left, and then maybe 5 seconds later, only 50 copies left. It really kind of a neat feature. But I'm just going to take that feature off real quick, just for time purposes. And then step number 6 here, name your page. Also has, you can enable exit message. So as a person leaves, you could enter a text there, just kind of a last chance to get their attention. But when you're done, you just basically save and close it. And then here we go. And then here's our page. So let's just view this. And obviously I just did this kind of for demonstration. I would clean this up and make it look pretty. I'm not making this particular page for conversion purposes, but just to show you some features. Now check this out. Oh darn it, when I left the page, this came, hold on, I'm going to do that. I'm sorry. Let me try that one more time here. So what happens is it pulls, like I said, from your computer's IP address. And check this out. Bingo. It pulls up Chicago, where I'm at. And like I said, when I was showing you where I put that variable city, it automatically enters Chicago right here as well. So, if you could say, let's say you own a pizza restaurant, you could say, all right, we have a pizza special only in, just put city, and then that's going to pull up that person's city. So it's a neat feature. And then, yeah, this is, here's my text, obviously, here's my subscribe button, and then here's my image. I just did a little cute thing of Bigfoot. So, yeah, that's just the Geo opt-in feature. Love it. I'll be making some more videos on how to use the YouTube feature, the color feature, adding images. I hope you enjoyed this extremely cheap plugin too. I think $18 for the single license, like $28 for unlimited. Awesome. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.